It seems like you're referring to the concept of limb language, which suggests that the way a person positions their limbs or body can reveal aspects of their personality or emotions. Body language, in general, is a fascinating area of study that involves nonverbal cues such as gestures, postures, and facial expressions. In some cases, the positioning of limbs can be surprising because it might unconsciously communicate feelings or characteristics that the person is not explicitly expressing through words. For example, one dog crossed arms. People often interpret crossed arms as a defensive or closed-off posture, suggesting the person might be feeling guarded or not receptive to others' ideas. 2. Handshakes. The way a person shakes hands can convey confidence, assertiveness, or nervousness. A firm handshake might indicate self-assuredness, while a limp handshake could imply uncertainty. 3. Fidgeting. Constant fidgeting or restlessness can be a sign of anxiety or unease, revealing an inner emotional state that may not be evident in the person's speech. 4. Sitting posture. The way someone sits, such as leaning back relaxed or sitting upright attentively, can convey their level of interest or comfort in a given situation. It's essential to note that interpreting limb language is not an exact science, and individual variations can exist. Context also plays a crucial role in understanding body language. Sometimes, what appears to be surprising might simply be a misinterpretation or influenced by cultural differences. While body language can offer some insights into a person's emotions and personality, it should be used with caution, as people can consciously or unconsciously display deceptive body language. Additionally, it is essential to combine observations of limb language with verbal communication and other cues to form a more accurate understanding of someone's feelings and personality.